Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to integrate the Checkstyle in our Java project. So Checkstyle is basically a code styling linting tool. We can say that it checks the styling errors uh, during the build process. So Checkstyle is integrated mainly using the Checkstyle plugin available in the Maven. So we will add that plugin and see how we can run the Checkstyle. So let me add it. Normally the plugins are added in the build section, build and plugins. There is a separate section for plugins management that we can discuss later when we are going to go with multi-module Maven projects. But it is very simple project, Hello Checkstyle, and so we'll just add this plugin in the plugins itself. So I'll just go to the official website of Maven Checkstyle and I'll just copy this plugin configuration. So in this configuration, like we don't want to override the dependency version. We will discuss later like what it is and how it is actually working. So I'll just keep it very simple as of now. So the Maven plugin and with its version that is like 3.6 we are going to use this for this demo. So this setups like this is the bare minimum requirement. So we can add this configuration, run the plugin, and the question is how we can run it. So Checkstyle plugin provide few of the goals that we can run. If we go to the introduction here it is specifying that these are the three different goals: Checkstyle aggregate, and Checkstyle check. So we are in this tutorial we are going to use this Checkstyle check because it outputs the violation on the console itself and potentially failing the build. So we want to fail the build if the code is not correctly styled, so we'll use it. I'll go to this Maven run palette and I'll run Maven check style. I've already used this. The check style check is already appearing. So it is running. So let's see the console output. So it is running the Checkstyle plugin check goal that we specified, and this is the plugin version. Now the module on which this particular plugin is running. So if you see, it is using Checkstyle 9.3. So this is like the dependency version uh, that like actually provides what rules to run, and so by default 3.6.0 version of the plugin uses 9.3 version of this particular dependency that we commented out. So this is the default one, and the default rule set it is using, that is sun checks. So even if we go here, we'll see there are two different type of checks available. So one is like sun checks, another is Google checks. So we can override these checks also, and we can even customize it based on our requirement and provide this our own customized check rule set so that it plugin can run accordingly. Okay, so let's see whether it really fails the build or not. So if I'm going to run Maven clean install this time, so even though we had check style violations, the build didn't fail. And if we see, there are no check style related logs in the console because for running this plugin, we need to specify in which we need to specify the executions of it. So execution will give it one execution here. I'll give id as check style id, and we need to specify what we can customize this for any of the plugin. It is just like how we specify the execution of any plugin in the Maven project. So mainly we need to, I can put a phase in which it is going to run. So there are different phases in Maven, as you are aware: clean, validate, and like different phases. So I'll run it in the validate phase. Mostly this plugin is configured in the validate itself. So next thing is we can specify the goals. So goals can take a list of goals, but we can like provide multiple goals here, so that plugin will run with multiple goals. Is like each goal is mapped to a particular mojo that is like very internal to the Checkstyle, or not Checkstyle, sorry, but to the Maven plugins. So here, just to recap, we are going to specify the check code that we ran earlier on the command line. So we have added a goal. Let me save it and rerun the same command like Maven clean install. So here, if you see, this time it is running the Checkstyle also, and the same ID that we specified. And okay, thanks for watching this video.